going pulling out right behind that guy. There you go. Excellent. So yeah, just like they said in the classroom, you're gonna be coming around this first cone here. It's gonna be your apex cone. Next time we come through here, we're gonna be braking pretty hard, but today, or right now, we don't have to worry about it. But going up to your next orange cone up there. Going right back around to your next green cone. Back around to your next orange cone. There you go. And right back around to the next green cone. It's like a big game of connect the dots, I always say. There you go. Going on down past those yellow cones there, so keep on going. Excellent. There's your orange cone right there. Right back around to your next orange cone. There you go. And it's going to bring you to your green cones. Nice and smooth. Go ahead and turn in. Excellent. You're looking at that orange cone way over there. There you go. That kind of leads you around the track. There you go. And give her some power. There you go. Keep on going. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go. A little tap of the brake here. Going up to your orange cone. Back to that green one. All the way out to that orange cone way up there. There you go. Keep on going. Nice and smooth in the brakes here. Come on to that banking nice and smooth. There you go. Excellent. Going back around to the next green cone. There you go. Eyes up. There you go. Roll. There you go. Just like that. Going down and back on. All the way down. On the brakes here. Nice and smooth. There you go. Turn in. Excellent. Bring it back around. Awesome. Get your eyes up. Looking right back around here. There you go. And give her some power around this. Down the straightaway. There you go. Keep going. On the brakes here, nice and hard. There you go. A lot of brake squeeze down on it. All the way up to that cone there. And you're going to turn in nice and smooth. There you go. Excellent. Bring it back around to your next orange cone. Back around to your next green cone. There you go. Right back around to the next orange. Back to that green one. Excellent. And give her some power. There you go. Like that. Look up. Nice and smooth in the brakes there. There you go. Bring it back around. Turn it nice and smooth there. Excellent. Got your eyes up. Look at the next set of cones. There you go. Give her some power. Orange cone, right around to the green one, and right back around. There you go. Keep on going. Yeah. Feel up. Nice and smooth on the brakes. Excellent. Good job, sir. Bring it back around here. Awesome. Go right back around to that green one there. There you go. Keep going. Just like that. So good, right? Keep on going. You got it.
Holy cow, this thing just stinks!
Nice and hard on the brakes. There you go. You turn it nice and smooth. There you go. Excellent. Going around. There you go. Kind of roll into the power a little bit. A little bit more, then a little bit more, then a little bit more. There you go. Excellent. And here's power. On the brakes, squeeze out on them. There you go. A little bit more squeeze out. There you go. Your turn in there. Awesome. Bring it back around. There you go. Right back around to your next orange cone up there. Back to that green one. Up to that orange one. There you go. Bring it right back around there. Excellent. Keep on going. Keep going. Like that. Lift up. Nice and smooth on the brakes here. So you turn in there. Back to the brakes again. Turn in, keep it nice and tidy through there. Looking at that orange cone over there. Roll into the power. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Then all the power all the way down. There you go. Keep going. You got it. Keep going. Little tap on the brake. There you go. It's there. There you go. Bring it back around. All the way up. Lift up nice and smooth with the brakes here. Awesome. This time at the end of the straightaway, we're going into the pits, but we're all out into it right now. There you go. Just like that. Going around. There you go. Just like that. Bring it around. You got it. A little bit more. A little bit more. There you go. Just like that. Right on behind you guys. There you go. Just on the brakes. Nice and smooth. There you go. pretty good, right?
Oh my goodness.
It's a pretty good car. Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Like I said, Porsche, if you go to renew my contract, the truth is in engineering.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do a really good job.
This thing is amazing.
Yep, for sure. There you go. He's giving you a thumbs up, so you did a good job.
All right.
Heck yeah.
I didn't let him out of my sights at all.